In this video we're going to start looking at mapping and how we can start to lay tables and desks out on a floor plan. So as a system admin you'll have access to settings and to maps, and I've already added in a test map. So notice the background image is .svg, so this would just be clicking on the icon and we could then upload our SVG file. We can then start to add in elements. We're working with a template at the moment, so you can see some underlying graphics where desks and tables are placed. If I click that add element, it produces a table by default. I can rotate that by 90 degrees and I can scale that as well. So if I wanted that slightly smaller, and I can move into place. If I wanted to link that so it became an active object on my map, when I was on my dashboard for instance, then I can click in the link to, and I'm going to call that the boardroom, and that's then populated. So when you're linking, your rooms and desks need to be created in the GoBright portal before we can start this linking process. If I want to do a desk configuration, then when I click on add element, again I get a table by default, but I want to change that to a desk. Again I might want to rotate that, and again I'm going to scale that table or desk. So if I just place that on up here, and I can now have got the format I want, I can simply just duplicate. So I can just move those into position. And there is a grid structure available for this. So at the moment it is running at 5 points, and that's shown just at the top right hand corner of my software, just up here by the window. But with those desks in place, then I can start to link them. So again I can click on one of those desks and I can link it. So let's just go to desk, and we could be going desk 1, and likewise just going around our office, desk 2. If we wanted one of these desks to be on a slight angle, then that's fine. We, rather than just do the 90-degree rotation, we can choose our own angle of rotation. So if you have your office and it's at different variances of angle, then we can change the desks accordingly. But the idea is with this, we can be moving around over this template, but then once we've laid all of our desks out, we can just change our template. So I'm going to go into our image stocks that we've got, and I'm going to go to the agile space with no furniture, and now you can see what that looks like without any of the sort of template structure in place. Importantly, I just need to save, and that's now saved as part of a map, and where that comes into play now would be within our general, and if we go to locations, where you have your different locations set up. So for instance we've got our demo office, then you can see that's got a map associated to it as well. So that's where we'd start to select the maps that we've got and associate that to a particular location. So in short, as a system administrator for GoBright, you're quite welcome to go into settings, into maps, and you have the freedom then to move any desks around the room should configuration change, link any desks as well to a particular room layout.